Hello and welcome back to Dubai Desert Driving Etiquettes and Techniques. This is your host Raimdar, and today we are here for another event, to marshal another event. My special guest. Again, what's your name?
Ishir.
Ishil. Ishil is my special guest. He speaks 7 languages. He's an amazing kid. He runs fast too. I just witnessed that. Maybe you can show it to you later. The EMSO car is here. We are ready for kickoff. So stay tuned. So the event has started and cars are rolling out.
Let us know once all the 8 Maybags have gone.
So the marshals are now.
You will see them moving. The white Maybach has another black one behind it. The black one will be the last Maybach, I think. No, the last one is not. The black one is not the last one. There's one more in which Srinath will sit. Yeah, that's the black one. I am sitting in black one. Srinath here. Okay, even I'm in the black one. Behind the white, which is 8500. One is the black and the other one is the brown.
So the marshals from Emirates Motorsports organization have been given this Maybachs, and so we will be marshalling the events in these Maybachs. This whole area was full of Mercedes, and now slowly this area is being cleared as we go for a drive. So as everyone's moving through, we have Brent Black also from Virgin Radio, who was doing the DJ set earlier. This is our driver Khalil. कुछ बोलना है घर वालों को? मेरा YouTube का चैनल है, तो घर वालों को कुछ बोलना हो बता सकते हैं.
अच्छा सर, सबको सलाम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. And that is Khalil bhai. Salam to all my viewers. Enjoy. So we have all these Mercedes.
We're supposed to go to Al Ain Highway.
In 400 meters.
I am heading to Dubai Creek Harbor. That is the location it's showing. We reached the Dubai Creek Harbor, Russell Road. We will take left after some time towards Dubai Creek Harbor.
Keep right at the fork.
हाँ यहाँ से नहीं लेफ्ट लो. हाँ लेफ्ट. यहाँ पे है रासेल कोट पे रास्ता है. So just entered the Creek Island, and this is first time I'm coming here. It looks awesome, looks beautiful. That's the Creek Island. We're on the bridge right now. Beautiful. It's a concrete jungle, but with a sea view. So we're back. We're back from a very challenging day today. Over 300 cars. We returned them back here. There's a bit of chaos in between, but we handled it well, didn't we?
We did well. We took control of things when they were about to go wrong. We redirected the convoy because there were some which were not knowing the route properly. So yes, we handled it very well.
We handled it well is one, and two is we learned a lot from this.
Oh yes, we do that in every event, and yes, we learned a lot. And we'll make sure that things go the right way every time we take such challenges and projects in our hands.
So yeah, we as a team we got together, we discussed, and we have got some areas of concern, especially during. We are good and proficient in off-road rides, but this was a different challenge for us being an on-road event. So the route and everything is not as in the desert, and we have challenges like traffic lights,
Yes.
lane changes,
Wrong turns.
U-turns, and the challenges are the convoy breaking up so bad that one goes in a loop and doesn't know what to do. But we came through. We
Yeah,
came through. We
I
got
always-
everybody back.
I always say that whatever happens, everything should end well. Whatever ends well is exactly what we are looking for.
So yeah, today was the Mercedes
Yeah.
event, and we got our Marshall badges.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are moving forward, and we're looking forward to doing much more. There's a lot more content which is going to pop up because we're not going to stop here. Marshalling official events,
Yes, that's right.
and we had to sacrifice our desert drive. I'm sorry to my subscribers, and I apologize. I had to cancel my weekend drive to those who had signed up for my drive, but we are doing all this so that our academy, the Desertarian Off-Road Academy, can prosper, and we can develop people within this academy and give back to not only to the community but the government here whenever they require. They know that there's an academy waiting for them to deliver the marshals and seniors to participate in these events. Today, 3 more got an opportunity.
Yes.
So yesterday we were 5.
Correct.
Today we were 8 strong.
So
And
yeah, the team
we're
is coming
strongest.
together. The team is coming together, and nothing happens. No success story, if you go in the depth, you will find achieved by a single person. It is always a team. So we are bringing people together, understanding their skills, owning the skills, making them, get chance so that they can show us what they actually are made of. And once we have recognized that, we will give them their positions and their due recognition in due course. And that's how we build up a team which will be so strong that we will just be the only one. That's what our goal is, that when it comes to off-roading, learning off-roading, and the academy. So yes, we will need your support in the future as much as possible, and we are working towards it. We have got the support from all the places that we require. It's only the time that is in between us and success. So yeah, the time is very, very near, and we will be in front of you guys with the final product. So thank you very much.
And I need your support for this channel. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, like the channel so that more such content from me reaches you. Until next time, this is Raimdad signing off.